Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reviewing 3 different accessories that will go together with your drone. Okay, so this itself is actually a DJI Mini2. I have a landing gear, a lens cover, as well as the propeller guard. So 3 different accessories. Why I find it useful? Because for the landing gear, it's actually able to land in terms of rocky area or something where you want some level of protection. And I don't really feel it's necessary, but good to have. I mean, good to play around, and if you want just for additional accessory, just try it out. Second is actually a lens guard, quite important to actually prevent any dust, dirt or anything on your lens, because when you wipe, if any dirt happens to be on there, the lens itself is actually, I can say, the first one to go lah, before you actually damage the thing itself. If not, you need to replace the camera. The third thing is the propeller guard. Why is it important? Because your drone itself will drop when it actually hits onto a wall. So I've been flying indoors. The whole drone just went boom, and then after a while the propeller just hit. So it actually not only protects your propeller, it protects your drone as well. Without further ado, let's actually open up my drone and let's do some testing. Okay, just open up the drone itself. Basically today we'll actually unbox this first. Let me open it up. And okay, what we have here is the landing gear. So landing gear, how is it going to open? It's actually open from the corner. It's actually a push. Okay, let's just open it up. You can actually open from the bottom as well. Just grip onto it. The clip is over here. So you just push it up and then the click into place. Okay, so one thing is actually we want to have it standing on this sled itself. Align the vents, so this thing actually does have a coverage where your buttons over here are still there. You can turn on and off the drone as required, and it clips in place. Wow, that's a bit shocking, but I can say overall not that bad. Your drone itself will stand on a sled like Santa sled, like Christmas sled. Looks interesting. And basically that's your first accessory. Do note that the flight limit in Singapore is 249 grams. Anything above will require a CAAS registration look like this, because I'm going to put a lot of accessories to it. It will add additional weight, so it might also decrease your battery life in terms of flight time. So to take note. Second thing we are going to review is a lens cover. Okay, lens cover. Oh, it comes with a nice cloth. Interesting. Okay, let's just put it corner. I've selected the UV cover mainly because UV itself doesn't have any polarizing effect, and it doesn't actually darkens the image. So if you've seen most of my videos right now, it's night shots. So when night shots come, I can say it's a bit more dark, and you want to prevent that lah. Okay, let's actually help him put on his glasses. Okay, it snaps in place. So this is actually how it looks like. Okay, after it is. It looks like some goggles. Interesting. Okay, and it's getting heavier. That is a bad thing. So maybe flying, I'll find 2 accessories more than sufficient enough. Lens cover and this guard. Actually, you can fly without the guard also. So depends on you. I also can fly without this sled. But this lens cover, most important. Okay. Last but not least, it's actually the guard itself. Okay, so let's see how we're going to snap it in place. For guard, there's A1, A2, A3, A4. Interesting. A, B, A and B, B1. Okay, there's labeling over here. So it's B1. This says B. Let's see if there's any labeling on the drone. Why they anyhow label A, B? Let me inspect my drone a bit. Interesting. This doesn't come with any instruction manuals. Unlike the sled. The sled came with an English manual, which is easy to understand. But this doesn't come with any manual. Now I need to figure out. So let's figure out opening up this itself. I believe it's here. And then just clip it in place. So actually one thing very good is actually automatically clip in place when it's flying. So this one itself have a longer one. Longer nose, does it fit in? Okay, it doesn't fit in, so let me try this instead. This should be the back, this should be the front. Okay, always open it up first so that the sled comes in. So actually it comes in, you can actually see the shape over here. This shape will actually align with the landing gear shape. So this is the front. Is it? Okay, it's not this. Let me try this. Huh. So not to worry, it'll actually comes in place. And then you'll be able to tell which is which. Okay, just open it up because it's easier this way. And then you'll like to snap it in place. It just sit quite nicely, although this is not the original one. Because the original one is actually to wear it the other way. And the last one, the last leg. Okay. And there we have it. Okay, let me just push it back a bit so you can see. There we have it, the thing with the gut. And I can say it's very heavy. Right now, it's like a center slab with glasses and everything. And it's interesting. But definitely exit, so I need to put on the CAAS sticker. Okay, so fly safe. Have a nice day. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.